Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see who added your TikTok to favorites. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the inbox and then you need to click on activities, and here you need to click on all activities, and then you need to click on likes and favorites. So here you can easily find that who added your video in favorites. So you can see that this person added my video in favorites. As you can see that added your video to favorites, so you can easily find a person who added your video into favorites here. So this is the process by which you can find who added your video in favorites on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.